AuPairWorld. Ntiene me be kire kwan a wo be fa so a wo be apply anase wo be create AuPair a profile. Send a beya onso no a host family a betimi afaw. Now I'm more about fee no abehwe ne ma na watia oka. What you say? This is one of the easiest way I will be in their faso. I can to say France, Germany, Italy, any other countries. Now, sure, dashboard here me way AuPair for dashboard. So first of all, no, I think say yen try say yen day you be logging in. So now look at this. Okay, let's find AuPair or let's find family. Okay, yen abusia. What you say? Ansana yatwaso. What you say? Now they say register for free. Okay, so let's register for free. Now Albania is not part. Argentina is here. Austria is here. Australia is here. Azerbaijan, Belgium, Canada, Switzerland, and a whole lot of that. So let's assume that let's take Switzerland. Okay. Switzerland. All right. Now, I'm per se day anka yen create account na ansa, but me per se me create ansa. What you say? Per se man church my dear because se me create me nya access to this one because me nya oba anti no. Yen mean say ma chibio. All right, anti no. So obehwe board no so ya on the way active. What you say? Yen hwe busia no. Tinake Switzerland oba baako. Ne ba ne ye saying 5 years. What you say? What you say? Yes. Until time I would beto her or pen from August 2026 to what do you call September. Na say was or POB san. What you say? Only china na say opese onko no. I was say you are willing to stay there 6 to 1 year. What you say? On that year. Yes. We see Benedicta L. One day only online, but we or online. We Lillian K. Also one child or Baba kosa. What you say? We 3 children or mommy and son. What you say? We know over now from 6 months to 2 years. What you say? We work French. We work German. We work German. Inti definitely no. You will have to get okay. Let's connect with this one and let's see. Or I don't think that I'll be able to connect to this lady because they are expecting me to log in. What I said, they are expecting me to log in. All right. Yes. So I don't think I'll be able. So let's go back and try to, log in and see what will happen. All right. Or let me choose another country and see. So let's choose Germany. Let's go to Germany. Spain is there. UK, Italy. Germany is now. Germany is here. Let's search for it. This is Germany. All right. So Germany, the Clancy, Ireland. We'll call it Ireland. All right. And also 2 years. 2 years. So baby, I'll pay no. I think say we wait my birthday. I'll be choosy depending on maybe Sweden. What do you say? Wednesday France. Into your mother also. Baby bia Krubia be choose biano. Ewa Krubia be choose biano. Ubenya bio ho. What do you say? Finland waha. Yanfe UK nhade. We are Canada, Spain, Italy. What do you say? Italy ni, Canada ni. What do you say? Tino. Yanko formo. We are France, Germany. What do you say? France, Italy. In the end, say you better register. Now, let's register. Okay, so I am an AuPair. You only When you host family, when I obey your host family, to obey your host family, no, we are AU pair. So select this one, and then let's see whether create new account. Okay, so let's see. Alright, let's see something. Alright, let's see what. Yes, exactly. So save or not. Okay, don't save. I will not save. So confirm your account. AuPair. You see, they've sent me an email. Alright, so they said I should confirm my account. So let's go to my Outlook and see whether. Alright, so let's see. So confirm your account. I'm confirming my account. Alright, so I've confirmed my account. So start the process. You start set up your profile. Okay, so let's try to information, Wikipedia, contact. Alright, so what is this? Okay, so let's try to set up our profile. Now look at the steps I'm taking, because this is what you will do. Alright, register now as an AuPair for free. Okay, so about me, my search and my profile. So my name is here. Alright, so let's see the date. About date of birth, Asha. Month near whatever November. Year near day. Yanko, I think say I'm down. Yes. Yeah, 19 say 93. Oya bema na oba. Se me peke bema. Mbaka se omumpe bema nowadays. Ti ma me peke oba. Anjade. Na me changes nedino. Theophilia. Nti we ye mad what you say. What you say, yes, nti no. Contact details. Maybe street. Okay. So one with them here, no, my street number. Me information, no, is already inserted in my laptop, autofill. So my boss anani nyina banti one Ghana pipe. What you say? My number ni Greater Accra, postal code 233. What you say? More about me. Into which country are you currently living in? Alright, into country are you currently living in? Let's say Accra. Let's say Ghana. So I'm picking Ghana. What you say? Your nationality is also Ghana, right? So Ghanaian. Okay. So I have childcare experience. Once you say uncle, you have to select you have childcare experience. You have to have driving license. I do not smoke. I'm not a vegetarian. Language skills, your mother's tongue, English. Alright, and language you speak fluently. Okay, let's say English. Say English. Alright. Language you have basic knowledge. Okay, let's say German. Alright. And then you save. What you say? So me, I won't save it now. So your search. So where do you wish to work as an AuPair? Which country do you wish to work in as AuPair? So select country. What country do you want to work? Germany. Now I select Germany. What you say? UK. Now I select UK. What you say? So you can say Germany. Now I select Germany. You can say opposite uncle UK. UK. United Kingdom. Now I start United Kingdom. So I can. What you say? Canada. Now I state Canada. So I can. Now I say Australia. Work Australia account. Alright, so I prefer working in a big city in a country, in a small town. Select all of them. Select all of them. Okay, I don't prefer any. Theophilia, I am willing to help. Okay, further question. I am willing to help with Lighthouse. No problem. I am willing to work with single parenting. No problem. It's okay with me if the family members smoke. No problem. I am willing to work with children with special needs. No problem. What I say? Age range of children you wish to take care of. 0 to 0 to, I say 15. All right. When would you like to work as AuPair? Maybe select the nearest age. Okay, select the nearest page. What do you call date? And then you can select up to the yes. All right. So how long would you like to stay with your host family? Maybe 24 months minimum. Okay, minimum 6 months, maximum 24 months. All right, then you save. Okay, then your profile. All right, so you are almost done. Okay, so here you write something to the host family. All right, last section we know any kwase will leave you know sa na watre bibia fa ho many adwa sumedu many adwa yebusu. Yes, me free Ghana. I have experience in taking care of Ankwara, ebia me a nurse. I have that passion to take care of a kid. Ebia or Accra yourself. I have a kid myself. Ebia mature Sunday school Ankwara for almost 10 years in my church. My way, me driving license. I speak a little bit German, or I speak a little bit French. A whole lot of babies are to tell the family that you are ready and you are best for this AuPair. Then you save. I don't know the age that I picked. Okay. Let's go back because I pick an age which is older than 30 and I'm not supposed to be 30. All right. Yes, I am not supposed to be 30. Okay. So you see, are you younger than 17? Are you older than 30? Now, for the first thing that you have to understand is to be able to apply for AuPair, you have to be from 17 up to 26. All right, 17 up to 26. So forget about this that popped up. So once your age falls between 17 to 26, if you write any little thing about yourself and you save, you are going to, get a good response other than this one. Okay, but me, my age is more than 27, so I'm even more than 30. That is why they are giving me this one. So that is it. Okay, so let's go to the page once more time, and then let's see whether we will find a host family. Find AuPair, register a host family, become a host family. Find AuPair. Now, membership. Now, one thing you should remember is the minute you create the account, you have to come here and then turn on the membership, the premium membership. You have to come and register for premium membership. Okay, premium membership. All right, yes, then you pay this money. All right, either you pay this money or you pay this money. All right, pay this money. You have to pay if you want them to locate you. If you want this, you really want this one, you have to come and pay this 90 euros. All right, for 3 months. So within the 3 months, you will be able to get family that are willing to employ you, take care of you, do visa stuff for you to move to the country you are looking for. All right, so that is it. If you do not pay for any of this is just 1 month, and this 6 months, so this is around 1,000 to 2,000, is 1,000 to 1,000, 6,000, 7 day. All right, so 6 months, within the 6 months, then you'll be applying, you'll be looking for families. All right, like I said previously, you go find here. Okay, for the fact that I'm not allowed, they won't allow me to access it again. So that is why at first I show you some of the families that are online, they are active, that you can chat them. Okay, so once you turn on the membership, the premium membership, yes, that means you'll be able to see the families that are online, all right, that are active, that you can contact them, and then they can employ you. You can talk to them, and then they will assess you. You do interview with them, and they will employ you. You move to the country you are looking for, and that is it. Thank you very much.